Good morning. Good morning. We are 1 week away from the Hidden Secrets, Live Your Best Life workshop in beautiful Canmore, Alberta, in the beautiful Rocky Mountains. And today I have with me Marilyn Young, Messages from the Soul. Marilyn's going to join us out there and give us insights on what our future looks like. This is a day for you. It's a day for clarity and envisioning and manifesting, and know how the processes to manifest, to bring into your life what you desire. So thank you, Marilyn, for being on the call with me today.
Oh, you're welcome. It's good to be here. Thanks for
Yeah.
inviting me.
Well, you are my go-to friend and intuitive insight. You are my mentor that helps me when I get into a spin or when challenges come along. So Marilyn, tell us what you're going to be doing at the workshop. What are you going to give us?
We'll see how the flow of the day goes, but I would totally love to offer some intuitive insights for people on how they can manifest their dreams, maybe bring in some messages from spirit, whatever comes up for them.
Yeah, because a lot of times we don't know the possibilities for ourselves, right? And
Yeah.
I know when I come to you and you can say, well, here's what spirit brought, or here's what I see for you, it lightens me, it gives me hope, it gives me a direction, and it helps me get out of a spin often.
Oh, good. Yeah. And that sometimes I'll use angel cards or oracle cards to sort of help make the message a little bit more concrete for people.
Yeah.
And what I mean by what comes in is what I might hear, or I might see a picture in my mind, or some colors, or some words, and we'll share those with whoever's asking a specific question, and then we take it from there. We interpret it together, and it applies to what their question is. Yeah.
When you give me insights, I know it's relevant to me because it resonates. It doesn't
Right.
feel like, that doesn't feel like me, or I don't think that's possible. It resonates with me, even if it's a concept that I haven't thought of or a possibility at the time. So I really value you coming out and joining us.
Well, thank you. I know too that sometimes when we do a reading or bring forward messages in a group, that even though one person asks a question, often the information is available or applicable or relevant for other people in the group. So
Yeah,
it's
for
nice to
sure.
have that setting. It's nice to have that setting.
Tell us about your gift. How long have you had this gift and or recognized it or used it?
Well, I put a label to it maybe only about 10 or 12 years ago, as an empath and an intuitive. Looking back on my life, I've always had these sort of second sense, good intuition, used it even as a child. And through my work as a registered nurse and a manager in nursing, was able to use it with clients and with my staff. And in the last couple of years since retirement, I've really had time to delve into it, learn more about it, and grow them so I can help people in a different way than in my long nursing career.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a beautiful gift you have. And I know
thank you.
people, including myself, go away with a vision of what I can work on. Like you even say, here's what you need to work on, and here's what you need to understand, or many different ways to give me ways to work on, because it's an inside job. The work is for us, right? It's
Yeah,
it's not a whoop whoop. All it's here's the inner work. Here's what you do. Here's what you
yeah.
need to work on.
Yeah, and we all have stuff to work on. Pardon me, we come here not perfect, so we've got life lessons to learn. Sometimes information comes through from past lives that we're still carrying a little bit, we can move forward with, but it's all meant to be for our highest good.
Yeah.
So
Even
so it's
those
all
tough
stuff to
ones,
help us.
the
Yeah,
life lessons. I've had some tough life lessons recently, and you've assisted me with those in working through them, and I still am, but it's some of them are like, oh, that's a hard one, and it gives me hope and assists me working through it.
oh good, good.
Well,
Well,
so
it's
I
some,
hope you'll
yeah.
join us. It's April 29th out in Canmore. Click the link below. We're going to have a great time. Come out and join us. Some of us are staying the night before, and some of us are staying for supper afterwards and then going home. Drive out in the morning if you don't want to stay overnight. Bring your friends. Message me if you have any questions. Come out and join us, and it's going to be a fun day. Thanks for
It'll
being
be
here.
great.
And
You're
Marilyn,
welcome.
Marilyn, do you give introductory sessions?
Oh, yes, I have the availability of some free 15-minute angel card readings just so people can test the waters, and the people can sign up through my website soulmessages.ca.
Nice.
Yeah.
Soul dash messages, right?
Yeah, the dash is important or you won't find me.
All right, we'll see you out there.
Okay, take care.
I hope you'll join us. Bye for now.
Yeah.